What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Violentnacho, and I am a body painter on Twitch TV. I paint myself every Thursday and Sunday night, and tonight I'm going to paint myself as Jade from Mortal Kombat 11. So if you're interested in watching the time-lapse video from start to finish, stick around. But I want to show you first the products that I use to accomplish this look that we're going for. So first of all, I start with Mehron's barrier spray. I spritz my whole body down with it. It helps the paint stick. To be compliant with Twitch's terms of service, I use monster pasties. These are really cool. They go on like temporary tattoos. You just put them on your boob, put some water over it, and then it peels off real nice. I block in all the colors with Mehron's Paradise Makeup AQ. I have 2 of these palettes in different colors, plus several of the larger ones. For shading purposes, I use Morphe's eyeshadow. I have the James Charles palette. These colors are pretty awesome. And then this is my go-to. It's their like regular bright palette. Bam! What else? I guess that's kind of it with the actual paint. When I'm done, I'm gonna be popping in some yellow lenses. These are really cheap. They're from China. They kind of hurt your eyes. I don't totally recommend them, but they look good for photos. Throw on some false lashes. I love the magnetic ones. They go on with no effort. And finally, I put on this beautiful wig modeled by my dear friend, Mrs. Head. So, that's the process. I hope you stick around and enjoy the video. And if you do, comment below on what you want me to paint next, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. All right, have a good day and enjoy the show.